Exercise 8.1 problem 4 discussion. Let me read the problem. A mansion has 12 right cylindrical pillars, each having radius 50 cm and height 3.5 meters. Find the cost to paint the lateral surface of the pillars at ₹20 per square meter. So let me mark what is given in the problem. 12 right cylindrical pillars. Radius is 50 cm. Height is 3.5 meters. Unit rate of painting is 20 rupees. It's a cylinder, okay. Then cost to paint the lateral surface area. That is, in a cylinder we have lateral surface, which is the side area, and the total surface, which actually includes the top and the bottom. And here we are asked to calculate only the lateral surface, the sides of the pillar, okay. And the unit rate is 20 rupees per square meter. So this is all that's given in the problem. So we'll write it out here. Okay. Next, what are we asked to calculate? We are asked to calculate cost to paint. Right? Anything else? Cost of painting of the 12 right cylindrical pillars. So let's write it out. Cost of painting is what we are asked to calculate. Now we'll have to find formula which links this cost of painting to all these variables one way or the other. Let me list it out for you. Or before that, we'll just have a simplified pillar. So this is a pillar. For simplification, I'm not showing you the roof as well as the bottom. The height of the column is 3.5 meters and the diameter is 0.5 meters. Before that, I just want to highlight the radius is given as 50 centimeter. And you need to convert that into meters because all other dimensions, the height is given in 3.5 meters, the unit rate of painting is given as 20 rupees per square meter. So we have to have the radius also in terms of meters. So 50 centimeter is converted to meter, that is half a meter. Okay. Next, let me list out the formulas for you. Cost of painting is total area into rate. Suppose we have 100 square meters which needs to be painted. Here it is given 20 rupees per square meter. That is, for 1 square meter it is 20. For 100, so it's 100 into 20, that is 2000 rupees. So cost of painting is given by total area into rate. Now in this formula, we know the rate and we need to calculate cost of painting. But do we know the total area? We don't know the total area. Right? So this needs to be calculated. Now next, let's write the formula for total area. Total area is area for one pillar into 12 because there are 12 pillars. So, and what is the area for one pillar? The curved surface area is the area for one pillar. So total area is given by curved surface area into 12. Right? And in this formula, do we know everything in the right side? No, we don't know curved surface area. So we need to calculate curved surface area. Okay, now let's write the formula for curved surface area. Curved surface area is 2 pi r into h. Okay, see the right side. We know radius is half a meter. Height, yes, we know height is 3.5 meters. So which means curved surface area can be calculated. Once we calculate curved surface area, we can calculate total area by multiplying CSA with 12. So once you know total area, cost of painting can be calculated by multiplying the total area into unit rate. Okay, this is how the problem needs to be done. So my suggestion is, any problem which is very new for you or you're doing it for the first time, what you try to do is list out what is asked and write the formula for that particular item, and then you'll be able to see some are unknown and then keep cascading down. So here when you write, we are asked to find, so we need total area, then you're writing a formula for total area in which CSA is not known, then you write the formula for CSA. So this way we break the problem into smaller bits and solve it. But while doing, we'll have to do it in the forward direction. Because radius as a height is given, so you calculate curved surface area. Once curved surface area is known, you can calculate total area. Once total area is known, you can calculate cost of painting. So while thinking, we have to think in the reverse direction. Start from what is asked, so go backwards. But while doing, we'll have to go in the forward direction That is, start from what is given or what is known. Okay, that's the trick for all these problems. So let me summarize how to do this problem. Step 1. Calculate curved surface area by substituting values of radius and height in the formula. CSA is equal to 2 pi RH. Radius is half a meter. Height is 3.5 meters. So substitute, you'll be able to get CSA. Next, calculate the area of painting, which is total area equal to curved surface area into 12. Curved surface area we calculated it in the step 1. That is to be multiplied by 12 because there are 12 pillars. Right? Next step. Cost of painting is given by cost of painting equal to total area into rate. Total area we have calculated here in step 2. So that to be multiplied by rate. What is the rate? Rate is 20 rupees per square meter. So that will give us the cost of painting. So basically there are 3 steps in this problem. And what I suggest is you pause the video here and try to work it out on your own. Then come back and see the solution part, which is given in the second half of the video. Okay. Okay, now let's get into the solution. Radius is 50 centimeter. We are converting it into meters by dividing it by 100. Centimeter to meter is you have to divide by 100. Height is 3.5 meters. Curved surface area is equal to 2 pi RH. This is step 1. This is step 2, total area. Cost of painting is step 3. So step 1. Curved surface area is 2 pi RH. That is 2 into 22 by 7 into radius is half a meter. Watch out, you have to make sure the units are in the same level. That is, either everything should be in centimeter or it should be in meters. Here we are making it into meters. Okay. So 2 into 22 by 7 into half a meter into height, which is 3.5. So what will happen? 3.5 will go 2 times. This 2 will cancel this 2. 22 by 2 will get us 11 square meter. So the curved surface area is 11 square meters. Next, total area of painting is CSA into number of pillars, because we want to paint 12 pillars. Okay, and CSA gives you the area of painting for 1 pillar. Okay, so CSA is 11. So 11 into number of pillars is 12. So 11 into 12, that is equal to 132 square meters. Next, cost of painting is total area into rate. The area is 132. So 132 into rate. Rate is 20 rupees per square meter. Okay, so 132 into 20, that gives us 2640. That is rupees 2640 rupees is the amount required to paint the 12 right cylindrical pillars. Okay, that's it in this problem. Thank you for watching.